Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best laminator for crafts. It is definitely not an easy task to find a budget-friendly laminator that is supremely good at protecting your crafts. A real tragedy would be to get your favorite art piece destroyed by a laminator that you emptied your bank for. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best laminator for crafts. Number 1. Amazon PL9 US Laminator for Crafts. Amazon Basics can promise high-quality lamination and has a compact design. It's got an indicator light that will indicate to you when the device is warmed up enough and is all set to initiate lamination. You can effortlessly start to laminate all your projects and documents. The Amazon Basics is ideal for the security of an assortment of documents. This model can even laminate media sizes of maximum 9 inches wide and is compliant with letter size. Number 2. Scotch TL906 Laminator for Crafts. TL906, another model from Scotch brand with more advanced features. This gear comes with the usual 2 rollers for the smoothest and professional-looking laminations along with the dual temperature settings. This product is only appropriate to be used with a 120V grounded outlet. This device is straightforward to use and can provide great quality laminating. The illumination of a green ready button will confirm when it's warm enough to get laminating. Number 3. WALT ZY001 Laminator for Crafts. WALT ZY001, one of the best laminator for foiling. It can laminate objects of up to 9 inches of width and can support pouches of thicknesses from 3 to 5 mm. It would be perfect for laminating legal, letter, photo, business card-sized sheets. It has a warm-up period of only 3 to 5 minutes and a high lamination pace of 250 mm per minute. As a result, it will become possible to retain your pictures and valuable documents to last longer. Number 4. Prenova 173339 Laminator for Crafts. Prenova A4 Laminator is a flexible device for home or office use. It includes additional equipment, along with a paper cutter, a corner rounder, and a 20 laminating pouch set. It has a very convenient warm-up time of about 3–5 minutes. Can laminate 50 sheets of foiled A4 documents in less than an hour. If you have to laminate frequently and prioritize efficiency, this model could be the ideal choice for you. Number 5. Scotch TL901X Laminator for Crafts. Scotch TL901X, one of the best laminator for foiling. This simple-to-use device delivers lamination of high quality, so that you can be comfortable about laminating photographs. It has configurations for handling both 3mm or 5mm thick pouches. This simple device is a portable addition to thermal lamination. It can produce perfect laminations with no bubble or wrinkle formations, and no messes, and is quite unlikely to overheat.